4.1 Installation and maintenance of irrigation system. How you install? Installation points. These are the main points for the installation. Maintenance measures. How you measure your maintenance? Filter maintenance, nozzle inspection and replacement, pipeline inspection and repair. This is our fertigation system, our smart fertigation system. It consists of different parts, for example, smart controllers, precise fertilization, intelligent control, different zones, different control wells, pipeline, water pump, and sensor system, mobile system, auto remote system. This is the logo of our company Pkydrip. Customized fertigation system. We can customize for you according to your demands, according to your requirements, according to your area of the field. We can customize the machine, we can customize the fertilization machine for you.